Ronin the Traveler. Got a real treat for you, a Airbnb in Sosu, Dominican Republic. I'm just getting off the creepy tour bus as always, but let's check this place out. So just walking in here is the living room. And man, look, this place got views to die for. I'm gonna let you check it out. This is what you see when you walk in. And this is a pretty big place. Let's see. Let's check this kitchen out. Here is your kitchen area. Check it out. We got a stove right here, coffee pot. Got everything. And he's always got everything that you need. And this place is in a good location. It's all your dishes, so you definitely gonna have that. You know, if you're coming into the zoo, you're probably not gonna be locked up in this house too long anyway. Let's check out these bedrooms and bathrooms back here. Then we're gonna go out here and check this view out. But let's start in the bathroom. Here is your bathroom. I don't know how many it has in here. Shout out to you guys. Here we go. You got this right here with all your linen, sheets, pillows, all kind of stuff, towels, so you ain't got to worry about that. Here's your toilet, or we say the toilet. This is your shower. Nice setup. And where this place is right behind the park, right down the street from the beach and Mr. Flip Flop, all that. Here's the first bedroom here. Just one of the bedrooms. This is not the master though. This place has two bedrooms. This is a TV. So this is a good situation right here. Another closet. Oh, it also has a safe to keep your stuff safe. I didn't even ask him what the code was on it. I'm definitely gonna get it from him. So let's go check out this other bathroom. Let me turn this light on. I'm always trying to be lenient on, since I own properties myself, I'm never trying to bust anybody's head with that. So this is your master right here. This is your master. Let's check this out right here. Okay, nice size master. Very good, very good size. A lot of closet space. Another safe right here. So if you're here by yourself or you're here with some of your boys, you both have your own safe. So that's a good situation, right? Oh, and look, you have another bathroom. So man, this place was a good deal actually, because actually when I booked it, now check this out. Another everything. Oh, and you got your little washroom back there. Let's check that out too. I didn't even go over there. We're gonna look at that before we do the views. But this place was definitely a good deal. When I got it, it was 70 something, 79, $78, something like that. Pretty cheap for this place. This place is big. So okay, you got your washroom back here. Okay, this is okay. So you don't use it. There's one on the property. Okay, guess this is where the girls hang up and do their clothes and stuff. Okay, I know there's a wash area with this property too. Okay, so let's check out this view now before we get out of here. I'm definitely gonna be sitting out here. This is where I want to come at. Nice views, nice ocean views. And you also have a pool here. Let me show you the pool. Here is your pool. Right here. Very quiet location. So man, look, this is definitely a good deal. And I'm just showing you guys that always trying to keep my audience safe. because I have a lot of love for the brotherhood, because the brotherhood got a lot of love for me. So with that being said, we are out. Just want to show you guys this, man. This is a good place to stay. As always, the link will be in the description. And it's looking, I'm gonna come back before I check out and guys, let you guys know other little things that might have happened, things I didn't know from coming in here. I'll let you know, but I'm out. Okay, man, I'm about to check out of here. Dude, this place here was awesome. Very quiet, it's secluded. So I definitely recommend. Lost my voice, man. We was in Puerto Plata cutting up last night.
He ain't lying.
I recommend this place, and as always, the view is killer. Yeah, man, I was really enjoying this place. So it's definitely a good place for you to stay at. Guest friendly, awesome, quiet. So I recommend it, brothers.